Hello, in this video we will study about regular plural nouns. Regular plural nouns are nouns which can be changed into plural using certain rules. Now what are those rules? This is what we are going to study in this video. The first rule is generally we can change a singular noun to a plural noun by adding s. For example, cow. Cow is a common noun. If we add s to it, it becomes cows, which is a plural noun. Similarly, friend is a singular noun. If we add s to it, it becomes friends, which is a plural noun. The second rule is we add es to change singular nouns that end with s, double s, ch, sh, x and o to regular plural nouns. Means the words whose last letter or letters are s, ss, ch, sh, x or o, we add es to make their plurals. For example, watch. Here the last two letters are ch, so if we want to make its plural, we add es to it, so it becomes watches, which is plural of watch. Similarly, bus, its last letter is s, so we have to add es to make its plural. Now the third rule is if a singular noun ends with f or fe, we replace f or fe with v and add es to change it to a plural noun. Means if a word ends with f or fe, we remove f or fe and add ves to make its plural. For example, knife. Here the last two letters are fe, so we add ves to make its plural. For example, so it will be knives, knives. Again, leaf, the last letter here is f, so we add ves to make its plural, so it will be leaves, leaves, which is a plural noun. The next is if a word ends with a consonant followed by y, then we replace y with I and add es. Means if the last two letters of a word are consonant plus y, then we replace y with ies to make its plural. For example, cry. Here the last two letters are r and y. R is a consonant and then it is y, so to make its plural we remove y and add ies, so it will be cries, cries. Again, next is body. So here the last two letters are consonant plus y, means dy. D is a consonant and y, so to make its plural we remove y and add ies, so the plural will be bodies, bodies. There are some exceptions. Exception means the words which do not follow the rules. For example, roof, roof, roof. According to the rule, here its plural should be roovs, roofs. But since it does not follow the rule, so simply we add s to it to make its plural. So it will be roofs, roofs. There are some other exceptions. You can see chief becomes chiefs, giraffe becomes giraffes. Some words can end with both ves or s. Means some words, there are some words which which can be formed as plurals by adding s or by adding ves. For example, scarf, scarf. So its plural may be scarfs, scarfs, just by adding s, or we can add ves by removing f. So it will be scarves, scarfs. Similarly, dwarf, its plural may be dwarfs, dwarfs, or dwarves, dwarfs. So both are correct. Now here are some questions to solve. The first is, write the correct plurals of the words given in column A in column B. The first word is watch, watch. Since the last letters are ch, so according to the rule we have to add es to make its plural. So it will be watches, watches. Similarly, according to the rules, you have to make the plural of these words. The next question is, complete these sentences with the correct plurals of the words given in the brackets. Means you have to write the plural of the word that has been given in the bracket. For example, in number 1 it is, my dash are waiting outside my house. So in the bracket it is given friend, so you have to write the plural of friend. So generally we add s to it to make its plural, so it will be friends, friends. The next is, Lalit cleans the dash after dinner. So sorry, Lalit cleans the dash after dinner. So you have to use the plural of dish here. So as you see, the last letters of dish are sh. So according to the rule, what we have to add here is es. So the correct plural will be dishes, dishes. So in this way you have to do this question. I have sent you these two questions. You have to do them and send to my email ID. So this is the end of the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.